Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I want to give it knowledge about DR and BDR. So the first is what is DR and BDR? DR is designated router and BDR is backup designated router. So DR is the router that have responsibility to collecting and distributing information to other router, and then the BDR is the backup if the DR is down, and then there is other is the DR other. This is a router that not chosen DR or BDR. So how the DR and BDR got chosen? So the first is DR and BDR is from priority and from router ID. The first is Hello Packet Exchange. Every router in multi-access network, broadcast network, sending Hello Packet to the neighbors. In Hello Packet, router give it information and router ID, router priority, and DR and BDR in now. And then next is router priority. In Hello Packet, router give it router priority. The default is 1, and then can you change 0 until 255, and then if the router got priority 0, this is not follow the DR election. Yeah, how? And then if the router priority is same, yes, the default is 1. If you not change it, the router is choose the router ID. Yeah, and then after router priority is router ID, and then the router priority higher is become DR, and then next become BDR. And then if the DR fail, BDR is the backup to DR. So the name is backup designated router. So the function is BDR for backup the DR if the DR is failed. So this is a example. The first is Hello Packet Exchange. Yeah. And then priority evaluation. Router reading the Hello Packet and then compare the router priority. If the router priority is same, router using a router ID. Router ID higher, choose DR. Got chosen is DR. And then next is BDR. And then announce DR and BDR. After DR and BDR get chosen, router in the network know the information from Hello Packet. Every router in segment multi-access sending LSA to DR, and then the DR distribute LSA to other routers. Yeah, this is the example. Router A having router ID 111, and then router B, router C, router D with that priority. The first is Hello Packet. Every router sending Hello Packet in multicast OSPF 224.0.0.5. In Hello Packet there is router ID and priority. Yeah, and then as you can see, router C have in priority highest priority is 10. Yeah, 10 priority. And then router C is DR. Router A and router B have same priority, is 1. So the OSPF is from the OSPF DR is chosen by router ID. Router B having 2.2.2 and router A 1.1.1. So the router B is BDR because the second from C. Yeah, and then the router D not join because the OSPF priority is 0. And router C and router B building the full adjacency in other router. Router A is the other building adjacency full only to the DR and BDR. Router D not building a full adjacency to the router other because not joining DR and BDR election. Yeah, this is the conclusion. Router C priority 10, router ID 3.3 is DR, and then router B is priority 1, and then router ID 2.2.2 is BDR, and then the DR other is router A, and then router D is not participating. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much.